Humble Bundle Choice, these exciting games are coming in April 2024. The Humble Bundle Choice for April 2024 is shaping up to be one of the best, yet offering PC gamers an impressive selection of games at an unbeatable price. Among the 8 titles included in this month's bundle, 2 stand out as particularly noteworthy: Returnal and Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Returnal, developed by Housemarque, is a gripping roguelike game launched originally as a PlayStation exclusive before making its way to PC. Players take on the role of Selene, a space explorer trapped in a time loop on a mysterious alien planet. Since its release, Returnal has received much praise due to its thrilling action, difficult gameplay, and breathtaking graphics. Joining Returnal in the April 2024 Humble Bundle choice is Assassin's Creed Valhalla, the latest installment in Ubisoft's long-running action RPG franchise. Set in the Viking era, Valhalla offers players the chance to begin on an epic journey as Eivor, a fierce Viking warrior. With its sprawling open world, engaging story, and deep RPG mechanics, Valhalla promises hours of immersive gameplay for fans of the series. In addition, the April 2024 bundle will feature a diverse lineup of games spanning various genres. From the action-packed Werewolf, the Apocalypse Earthblood Champion of the Gaia Edition, to the quirky first-person shooter Fashion Police Squad, there's something for every type of gamer to enjoy. The April 2024 Humble Bundle choice offers PC gamers a diverse range of gaming experiences at an affordable price. With the April 2024 bundle, players can experience the thrill of Returnal, embark on a Viking adventure in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and discover a host of other exciting titles, all while supporting charitable causes through their purchases.